In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your inner door handle on a 2016 to 2020 Kia Optima. First thing you want to do is remove this mirror cover, use a plastic trim tool in your hand, and then just pull it off. It's held in with 2 clips. Use a pick and you can remove this rubber cover. Same here, use a pick and you can remove this plastic cover. Using a Phillips head, you're going to remove the 2 screws that are holding in the panel. Using a trim tool or a flathead, you're going to start removing the panel from the door. After you remove the screws, the only thing that are holding in the panel are just clips. After you made enough room, you could put your hand on the bottom of it and then you could pull out the panel. You could remove these 2 wires to give you more room to work on the handle, but it's not really necessary. Push down on the little tab and then you could pull it out. Same here, push down the little tab and then you can pull it out. Using a Phillips head, you're going to remove these 4 screws that are holding in the door handle. Grab the door handle from the inside and then you can pull it out. There's a little tab, push it down and then pull the handle away from it, and that's how you take it out. And to put it back, align it and then you could push the tab right back in. Make sure you hear that little click so you know you put it back in place. And then from here, just reverse all the steps to put everything back together.